Traveling by train in India has always been special. Unlimited space for your bags, that extra suitcase filled with gifts for relatives, and those just-in-case outfits where no one is batting an eye. But those carefree days are changing. Indian Railways is now cracking down on baggage with a new airline-style policy. Yes, from now on, your luggage will be weighed, and those extra kilos could cost you big fines. So if you are someone who loves their luggage as much as their ticket, this video is for you. So stay tuned because we are diving deep into new baggage rules, how they work, why they are being introduced, and what it means for you. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. Imagine arriving at the station just like an airport. Your bags go through electronic weighing machines. If your luggage crosses the weight limit for your travel class, you'll either have to book it separately or pay a penalty, and that too up to 6 times the normal access fees, which can actually burn a hole in your pocket faster than you can say, "Train chali." So if you are traveling in AC first class, it is 70 kgs, AC 2 tier 50 kgs, AC 3 tier and sleeper class, it is 40 kgs, and in general and sitting class, it is 35 kgs. So if you are traveling in sleeper with your bags weight 50 kg, prepare to cough up extra or shed some stuff. At first, this might feel like a big hustle, especially for our Indian family travelers who carry a suitcase full of gifts, clothes and snacks. But the government's reasoning is solid. It's about safety, efficiency, and managing congestion. Excess baggage in trains can cause delays while loading or unloading, block emergency aisles, and clutter platforms. But regulating luggage, the railway aims to reduce chaos, increase safety, and speed up boarding. Plus, this helps Indian Railways generate additional revenue, akin to airline, which collected over $7 billion from baggage fee last year worldwide. For India, with 23 million daily train passengers, these fees can significantly boost funds for better service and infrastructure upgrades. India isn't the first to introduce these rules. European rail networks like Eurostar or French trains have baggage weight and size limits and charge for extra bags or oversized luggage as well. Now, for example, on the Eurostar, passengers can bring only 2 large bags free of cost, exceed them and pay around $45 extra per bag. Similarly, in France, trains limit luggage size strictly and fine passengers about 50 euros for violations. Our railway joining this global standard means Indian train travel is stepping up onto modern international norms. For us Indians, train travel isn't just about getting from point A to B. It is a culture experience packed with large families, festival, gifts and surprises. So the baggage cap will definitely change how we pack. Okay friends, since I'm talking about travel, be it airlines or the railways, you must have seen some options like insurance while booking your tickets, both in railways and airlines. But do you know what is the importance of insurance? Like, what is the actual importance of insurance? Why do we need it? Why do we need to spend even a penny on insurance? I'll tell you why. Because there could be situations where you feel like you have to give a financial security to your family. Are you the one who's the sole earner of your family? Then have you ever thought that what will happen to your family if something happens to you? Who will take care of them? What about their financial security? What about your children's education? What about your sister's marriage? Or what about your parents' emergency health conditions? That is why we call insurance the helping hand for you. And in this, Policy Bazaar is offering a great help for us with their term insurance plan. They have insurance options where the premium starts from just $699 per month and it gives you the coverage up to 2 crores. Additionally, you will get 15% discount on all their premiums. But why am I telling you this? Because it is the most trusted insurance partners. So do check out the link in my description and channel profile where you can compare more than 51 insurance partners. Because your insurance is your safety partner. Let's move on to the video now. Weigh your luggage at home before leaving. Plan and pack smart. Carry essentials and avoid overpacking, just in case. Book extra luggage if you know you will exceed limits, and maybe invest in smaller portable luggage scale. At least it's cheaper than paying fines. And if you are a frequent train traveler with large families, think of this as a nudge towards convenience and quicker journeys. Okay friends, before moving forward, let me tell you about this amazing app called Bosswala. In this app, you can find 500 plus courses where the experts will tell you real life situations and their solutions which will help you to build your own business. And a great offer is going on. In just 999, you will get the access to all the courses for the whole year, that too in your favorite language. So don't just wait for your turn. Download Bosswala app now. You can get the link in my channel profile and description. Let's move ahead. Less luggage chaos means less hassle waiting for your bags at your destination. Remember, the fines are hefty, up to 6 times the excess baggage fee. That means an extra 300 fee can jump to 1800 or more. Also, beyond luggage fines, do not forget toll taxes on highways while driving, which can add up. Petrol and diesel in India already have nearly 50% tax burden. Car servicing, insurance, and even spare parts come with 18% GST. Similarly, railways are trying to manage operational costs to keep services running. So, is this a good or a bad change? Depends on how you look at it. For those who pack mindfully and plan ahead, this means safer, quicker, and more efficient journeys. But for just pack it all travelers, it's a wake-up call to be prepared or pave up. In the long run, with controlled baggage and better revenue, Indian Railways can improve services and maybe make trains feel a bit more like flying in terms of comfort and safety. How do you feel about these new baggage rules? Will you change your packing habits or pay the fines? Comment below and share your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And I am Mansi. Will see you in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.